This is my droid D02U3L2. It's an evaporative cooler model. Yeah, she's old, but I don't have the heart to just replace her. I used to live in Tatooine, and she has always been there cooling me. Now that I've moved back home, it's time to give it a little TLC. She's going to be of use again, as it's getting hot even here. I have cleaned her once before, but it was years ago. Struggling to get the water thingy off, I always forget how to do it. Without being maintained that much, she still works properly. Man, I love unscrewing with a drill. Taking a photo so I know how to put it back. Here is a flat lay of all the parts that I can remove. It's really dirty. Most of it is just dusty, so hopefully it's easy to clean. Using hot water to probably dissolve all this gunk. Couldn't take the set screw off, so I just have to clean it this way. Notice how the water changes as I clean this thing. I think this is the dirtiest part of the fan, since it has never been cleaned before. I did my best cleaning it, but now here she is, back to her former glory.